You need to watch this if you struggle with high cortisol levels. In this video, we're going to show you a simple habit that can greatly help to reduce and regulate high cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone your body makes when you're stressed or need energy. Think of it like a little helper that gives you a boost to handle challenges, like running a race or solving a tough problem. But if you feel stressed for too long, your body can make too much cortisol, which isn't good because it can make you tired or sick. So a little cortisol helps you feel strong, but too much isn't healthy. What if I told you there's scientific evidence linking the state of your physical space to your mental well-being? Clutter can be a silent stressor, contributing to elevated cortisol levels and feelings of anxiety. Get ready to uncover the life-changing results of decluttering. It's not just about tidying up, it's about creating a comfortable environment where you can truly thrive. Understanding that clutter can silently increase stress levels in your body is step one. When we're surrounded by mess, our senses become overwhelmed with visual stimuli. This visual chaos sends signals to our brain, activating the release of cortisol, the stress hormone. Studies have shown a direct correlation between high cortisol levels and cluttered environments. But there's good news. By consciously creating a more ordered and peaceful environment, we can help our bodies regulate cortisol levels and reduce stress. Imagine a space where everything has its place, where surfaces are clear and you can easily find what you need. After you watch this, visit the description for a list of tips. We focus on providing valuable, practical and interesting information that can improve your life. Stepping into a decluttered space is like taking a deep, cleansing breath. The physical act of tidying up can be incredibly therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and control. A decluttered environment promotes relaxation and clarity. When our surroundings are organized, our minds are less distracted, allowing us to focus on the present moment and engage in activities we enjoy. Decluttering can even improve our sleep. A study found that people who made their beds every morning were more likely to get a good night's sleep. Remember, creating a joyful space is not about perfection. It's about surrounding yourself with items that spark joy and support your well-being. Start small, focusing on one area at a time. This way you won't feel too burdened and can see progress quickly. A drawer, a shelf, a corner of a room, these small spaces can make a big difference. Even small victories contribute to a greater sense of accomplishment. Celebrate these moments to stay motivated. One effective method is the KonMari Method, where you hold each item and ask, does this spark joy? This helps you keep only what truly matters. If it does, find a place for it. If not, it's time to let it go. Another helpful technique is the 4-box method. Keep, donate, trash, and maybe. Sort through your belongings, placing each item in the appropriate box. This method ensures that you make thoughtful decisions about each item. Revisit the maybe box after some time to make decisions. This gives you a chance to reconsider items without pressure. Remember, decluttering is not a one-time event but an ongoing practice. Consistency is key to maintaining a clutter-free space. By incorporating small habits into our daily routines, such as tidying up for a few minutes each day, we can maintain a sense of order and tranquility in our homes. A tidy home leads to a peaceful mind. Let me tell you, many people who pay attention to their well-being have transformed their lives through the powerful act of decluttering. One woman, battling severe anxiety and chronic insomnia, felt completely overwhelmed by the clutter that had taken over her home. Over a few weekends, she organized little by little, room by room. She took her time, step by step, to create a more peaceful and functional space that she could truly enjoy. As her home became more organized, she was surprised how quickly she started to experience a significant improvement in her overall well-being and mental health. Another inspiring story involves a young entrepreneur who felt suffocated by the overwhelming clutter in his apartment. The issue was, he had a habit of coming home and just setting his belongings and mail wherever. This created an overwhelming appearance of chaos. By establishing a dedicated work area and consciously putting things in its place, he was shocked how quickly he felt a sense of clarity, focus and productivity that he hadn't experienced in a long while. These real-life success stories highlight the transformative power of decluttering and how it can positively impact our lives. It's not just about tidying up our physical spaces, it's about creating room for clarity, peace, and joy in our lives, allowing us to thrive in a more harmonious environment. Once you've experienced the joy of a decluttered space, you'll want to maintain that sense of serenity. A clutter-free environment not only looks appealing, but also promotes mental clarity and reduces stress. The key is to incorporate simple habits into your daily routine. These small, consistent actions can make a big difference over time. Make your bed each morning, tidy up your workspace, and ensure that your living areas are always in order. Put items back in their designated spots after use. This prevents clutter from accumulating and keeps your space organized. Adopt the one in, one out rule. This means that for every new item you bring into your home, you should let go of something similar. This practice helps in maintaining balance and prevents overcrowding. Donate or recycle old items to make space for the new ones. Letting go of belongings can be liberating. Regularly declutter your digital spaces as well. Unsubscribe from newsletters, organize your computer files, and delete unnecessary apps. I've already made a video called Inbox Zero to show you how. There's a link in the description. A clutter-free digital environment can contribute to a sense of calm and focus, making it easier to concentrate on tasks. By creating a peaceful and organized environment, you are setting the stage for a more productive and enjoyable life. You're investing in your well-being and mental health, which is crucial for overall happiness. Ultimately, you're creating a sanctuary where you can truly thrive, feel at peace, and live your best life.